And the second is to get my opponent, David Schaefer, to do the same thing. And, you know, I got some cat calls.
Come on. Seriously?
After we did it, they said that we were playing games, but it
Save up to 40% through this offer. Order now, and we'll quickly deliver your message from how far away?
Now, the last strike by the Culinary Workers Union back in '84 lasted 2 months, and it cost $75 million in lost wages and benefits. Estimates say another one like it will cost 3 times as much, $10 million a day for MGM and Caesars. And timing for this is everything. The World Series of Poker kicks off this weekend in Sin City, and the Las Vegas Golden Knights right now are in the Stanley Cup Finals, so everyone's hoping for a resolution.
CNBC's Tom Busby. Correspondent TJ Coutinho reports the billionaire behind Virgin Galactic is very close to taking average Joes into space.
Richard Branson made that prediction after his company's Unity spacecraft flew nearly halfway to space on Tuesday. On Unity's second launch, it traveled at twice the speed of sound to an altitude of 114,500 feet. Branson says he'll go up once Virgin Galactic has what he called a safe craft that can reach more than 264,000 feet. And he told BBC Radio he's
like 1870 around it.
Yeah, somewhere in there. The only thing that shoots off in the two is really my mouth, you know, trying to get these kids in the cage. That's the only loud noise you hear, really.
What other famous historical characters appear in the show besides Danny Oakley?
Buffalo Bill, who heard it all.
Yeah, Buffalo Bill put together this production and they toured all over America and Europe.
Very cool. Are you Buffalo Bill, Tom?
I'm sorry, say it again?
Are you Buffalo Bill, Tom?
No, in the 1999 revival, Austin, what they did was they sprinkled the line of Tommy Keeler and added Winnie Tate.
That's not the way that works.
I mean, the sister of Dolly Tate.
Yes.
Yeah, that's exactly right. We had a video stream, and we were able to pick out the faces and float a little information.
And this percentage of votes, when the votes are coming from these places, when the district, House district has these characteristics, what are you looking for, and then how can we make this out to the masses?
I think the NBA looks at this thing running out of stand in the shadow of the NFL. It's like never be worse to any consumer than the NFL is doing. But it's a little funny there at the same time because the NBA's had the policy on the books for decades.
Just a few years for this, because there was a period when George W. Bush and Donald Rumsfeld and Dick Cheney were all being threatened with war. And Rumsfeld was the one who took it.
It's not expensive. 817.
We got him the mortgage he needed based on that cash flow, not his regular income.
It was so easy that I closed in 17 days. And now I'm making money.
I wanted to refinance to get cash out to buy another investment property, but my bank gave me the runaround because my monthly income fluctuates and my credit score is okay, but not great. When Linda called, I knew our bank statement mortgage was the answer because she qualified using her bank statements, not her tax returns. What a difference!
Infinity driver behind me can't see very far past me.
Buy my next rental. Hey, I got cash out.
Could mean it's near the VA, but most likely that is the VA. Because the address of the VA hospital down there off Martinsburg Road is 1.
Washington Road, Riverwatch Parkway, as well as Bel Air Road and also Lewiston Road in Grovetown, moving at a normal pace this afternoon. Do have an accident downtown 13th and Walton Way, and one on Peach Orchard Road on the south side near Barney's Pharmacy. Traffic note for you. Starting tonight, DOT will have nightly lane closures on I-20 westbound at the state line.
Language like Spanish, French, or more. You can try Babbel for free. Download the app or text radio to 484848. Text radio to 484848 to try Babbel for free. That's RADIO to 484848. see me, Frank Gibbs, or any other.
We could try
This guy doesn't understand that you're not supposed to stop on railroad tracks. At all.
You better watch out. If you ignore the will of the people, and I'm not saying that Regency Mall, that site, shouldn't just sit there empty forever. But the city of Augusta has...
Well, I mean, she's already getting her own documentary that's coming out.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's, you know, God, look. Yeah, the Austin Road Show on a beautiful and that'll be hot Monday afternoon. Security, peace of mind, they all come to you. Well, EDTS, the team comes to you as the total package. Full service technology consulting firm offering world-class managed IT solutions, security, and advanced technology infrastructure. They take their clients' most complex online challenges. They evaluate overall business goals, and they apply innovative IT solutions, all while increasing business profitability, visibility, and security. Trust me when I tell you, the TV now.
Of all the money we spend shopping, only about a tenth is spent on the internet. But online shopping is growing very fast, and within that, Amazon is king. The NPR Marist poll found that among Americans who do shop online, almost
seriously?
92%.
How do I always manage to spot the winery signs? I'm just a wino.
We have arrived.
Look, I almost rear-ended us.
Not the interstate!
Is Augusta's news, talk, and information station, WGAC. Good morning, I'm John Trout. This is America in the Morning from Westwood One News. It's Monday, June 25th.
$1,000 in value and discounts available right now. Duggan 1 Hour Heating and Air, 706-733-8703, 706-733-8703.
Get in your own lane.
Online, DugganHeatingAC.
Location from where that call is made is displayed before the 911 operator. But today, more than 70% of all 911 calls are made from cell phones. And after the operator asks if you have an emergency,
Sapphire metallic, nation-made. Heating and cool seats. 100 clean callbacks off 26.9. So come see me, Frank Gibbs, or any other sales associate at the intersection of Baston and Washington. 1,000 to enroll in our next class. Why can't you do the next class? Call Blanchard and County on 706-868-1000 and let us help you start your next career.
This is Larry, Instructional Service Access.
Where they understand technology involved, but everybody else is volunteer.
The lasers too.
I can imagine. Jeez.
I mean, it's phenomenal training, and it was. I wish every department could do it or put people through it that are so quick to criticize what officers have to go through every day.
Well, they have my undying respect, and again, it's one of the reasons why when one of them willfully acts up, in other words, when they're consciously breaking rules and regulations and doing things they shouldn't be doing, I'm doubly hard on them because
I expect so much of them. I give them so much leeway in situations like we're discussing. If anybody ever, gets caught shaking down,
he's making a U-turn,
citizens or abusing their power, I think the punishment should be double what it would be for anybody else.
Shop Lowe's and get great deals for Dad, like a Porter Cable 20-volt max lithium-ion combo kit, now $99. All projects have a starting point. Start with $1 billion in value. They got a new CEO last year who was restructuring the whole company, finding a lot of skeletons in the closet. As for Walgreens, it merged with a British company called Boots Alliance. That's another drugstore a few years ago. So with a big presence in Europe, it's now an international retail giant.
CNBC's Tom Busby at 24 after. What have you got in your wallet? Better yet, your savings. Sierra Crawford reports that many Americans don't have adequate savings, even for emergencies.
Our bills are all due, and the baby needs shoes have busted.
America's maybe.
Until we can actually verify that he is willing to commit this time.
Riley, we just had Anthony Scaramucci on that said that really,
they want us to stop.
Kevin may be a much more rational person than people give credit. What do you think President Trump will see in these first moments when he meets
that tractor
Kevin?
doesn't want to stop.
Well, I think he'll
truck.
see a dictator who has, is.
I'd like to take a little quick swing at this immigration thing. It's multifaceted, and I have the opportunity to manage
the sexual solipsism of Sigmund Freud.
And there were a number of them that reached out to me a few years ago.
The functional free.
In my last video, the very last clip was making fun of one of these guys who turns left before he turns right. Except this guy turned right, and then he turned left, and then he turned right. That was the point of the whole clip. But one of my viewers took issue at that. She said, oh, you have to swing wide to turn in there. My mother used to work there. I don't think you have to turn wide. Let me find out. Nope. Even when the car is there, you don't have to turn wide here. All you have to do is turn. It's not rocket science.
So that's a concern to us, and we will address. Jimenez report.
North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper declared a
Carolina particularly has gotten hit.
The green light's liking me this morning.
With 4 to 7 inches of rain. According to a newly leaked Pentagon report, in 2004, a U.S. aircraft carrier was stalked for several days by a UFO that witnesses said resembled a supersonic tic-tac. The object reportedly could hover in midair.
I've never seen a supersonic tic-tac.
Now for $19.99, that's a better deal.
Will be these initial moments. The headlines.
I thought that was a swan.
Yeah, I did too.
I think she's upset that I'm tailgating her.
That's what bizarre. So, and I don't know why he thinks this is some special issue.